Hello, welcome to Explore the Business in Detail. Imagine having a skill that can help you earn an income right from your phone in your own time. That skill is digital marketing. And the opportunity I am sharing with you today is not just about earning, it's about learning something valuable that you can use for life. Now, let me be very clear from the beginning. This is not a get quick rich scheme. This is not an MLM, and this is not a traditional e commerce business like Amazon. Instead, what we have done is we have carefully researched the market and partnered with companies that offer high commission opportunities. So you don't have to go through the years of trial and error. You simply focus on learning a high income skill and applying it using a proven system. Now, here is the best part. You don't have to sell products to your friends or family. You don't have to chase anyone. In fact, no direct selling is actually required. That's the uniqueness of our training and business model. We guide you step by step once you start the business with us. So, what do you actually do? You show up consistently online, run simple targeted ads, and let the right people come to you. And when someone sees your ad, connects with it, and decides to move forward with your system, you earn a commission. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How will I reach the right audience? How will people actually buy from me? That's exactly what we teach you. We help you master the skill of digital marketing step by step so you don't have to figure anything out on your own. And once people start coming to you, all you need to do is give them the right information and let them make their own decision. Here is something very important. Why do so many mothers feel so comfortable doing this business, including me? Because 90% of the work is already automated. The entire backend, like the sales funnel and the selling process, is taken care by the system. You are only focusing on the 10% that truly matters, showing up, learning, and responding to your leads. That's why both stay at home moms and a full time working mom like me, even with a very limited time, we are all able to build this business at their own pace and on their own terms. Of course, results can vary from person to person depending on your consistency, effort, the time that you spent. But the system is designed to support you every step of your way. Now, let me tell you how we support you in this journey. We train you, as I said earlier, step by step using this proven digital marketing strategies. The training is fully online and it is completely flexible, so you can learn at your own pace and revisit it anytime. And you won't be doing this alone. There is a community of people to support you. I'll be your personal mentor, guiding you throughout your journey, answering your questions, keeping you motivated, and helping you stay on track. Along with me, you will also be assigned a coach who will also guide you further in this journey. Now, you will be thinking, how can I get started? It is very simple, just three-step process. Once you finish watching this video, reach out to me with your questions. I will then share a 20-minute free webinar where you will understand the basics of how the system works. Now, one more important thing, in that webinar, we intentionally do not talk about the products, partnered companies, or the commission details, how much you need to invest, and when can you get the returns. Why? We don't discuss about our business model with everybody because we want to focus on people who are serious about learning and exploring this opportunity deeply. If you feel aligned, you move into the business trial. Now, this is a paid service. You pay $149, but think of it as a fully refundable fee to explore the business. During this 30-day trial period, you will get complete clarity on everything, the model, the companies that we've partnered with, how much you need to invest, what kind of a startup offer you can start this business with, everything that you need to know about this business. Within that 30 days trial, if you feel this is right for you, you can move forward, invest, and start your journey with us. If you feel this is not for you, we will refund your full amount $149, no questions asked. The 30 days is only there if you need more time to explore and research. If you feel confident earlier, you can move forward immediately and start your business the very next day. Your training will be unlocked as soon as you purchase your business startup offer. After the trial, I will guide you on your next steps so you can move forward with clarity and confidence in your business. So, if you are someone who's looking to build something of your own with a training that focuses on a proven business model, And by learning a valuable skill and creating an income stream in a flexible way, then I invite you to take the next step forward. Reach out, explore, and see if this is the right fit for you. Your business journey can start today. Thank you. Bye.